Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Making Home with Megan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a copycat recipe of Olive Garden's pasta fagioli. This is my husband's favorite soup. He looks forward to ordering it just as much as he looks forward to ordering his dinner whenever we go here. So with that being said, let's get started. You'll need 1 carton of Beef Culinary Stock, 1 pound of ground beef, half a box of Ditalini pasta. You're going to need some carrots. The recipe calls for matchstick, but I only had frozen on hand. 2 stalks of celery, 2 small onions or 1 large, a can of cannellini beans and 1 of kidney beans, a can of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic or about 3 fresh cloves, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and a teaspoon of salt. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to brown your ground beef and you're going to cook it all the way through. Once it's done cooking, you're going to want to drain off the grease. While that's browning up, you're going to want to cut up your produce. I've chopped up my onions and my celery. I have my carrots here. If you have whole carrots, this is when you would want to cut them into matchstick size. I've added all of my produce into the pot with my seasonings, and I am just going to kind of let it all simmer together. I feel like whenever you're making a soup, the best thing to do is to put in all of your produce and your seasonings together and let it cook all together before you add in your liquids, just because it brings out so much more flavor. Alright, my produce is cooked in a little bit with the beef here. We have our onions softened and our celery softened just a little bit, and now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. So here I am adding in the tomato sauce, next my can of cannellini beans, and my kidney beans. I'm going to go ahead and give this a really good stir to combine it, and then once it's combined nicely, I'm going to add in my beef culinary stock. Alright, now I'm going to be adding in my beef culinary stock. If you're not able to find beef culinary stock at your grocery store, it is okay to sub in like some beef stock or beef broth. I just think that the culinary stock gives it so much more great flavor, and it makes it taste a bit more like Olive Garden's recipe because it's got things like, you know, red wine in it, and it just adds a lot more depth to the flavor. I'm going to go ahead and let this come to a boil and then simmer it on the stove for about an hour. Alright, I got my soup simmering on the back burner here, and now I am just cooking up my Ditalini pasta. As per the box instructions, I did add a little bit of salt and olive oil to the pot just to give the pasta some flavor and to help it prevent from sticking. Once it's done cooking, I will drain off the water and then we'll add it to the soup. Here is our soup with the pasta. It is ready to eat and it smells so good. You guys are truly going to love this recipe. Okay, here is my bowl of soup. It came out amazing. And this recipe gives you so much soup, guys. I think we yielded out about 10 bowls from that pot. My husband loved it so much that he went back for seconds. I really hope you do try this. It tastes just like Olive Garden's. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the like button. I'll see you guys next time.